let's try that. Let's try two things, and then we'll go to the lagoon area.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel again, and if you received my upload notification and you did watch my video, thank you guys for tuning in here on my channel. And for today's video guys, I will be featuring my hair and makeup client for her engagement photo shoot. As you can see earlier, I moisturized her face using a face moisturizer and then followed it up with Sephora face primer to hydrate her face and to make her makeup a long lasting for the photo shoot. And for the base or foundation guys, in here I mixed the Maybelline Superstay and Too Faced foundation in the shade Natural Beige. So I just use a brush to blend the foundation in on her face because I'm used to using brush instead of sponge. So yeah, my client has a breakout on her cheek part, and because of the wedding preparation that she's facing right now, so we cannot really avoid those breakouts will come out. So the foundation is helping to cover those breakouts on her face. So yes, as you can see here, it's all like covered it up, and the foundation is more than her face. And then for the concealer guys, I used the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 20, and then setting the face or the foundation, I used the Essence Pressed Powder in the shade, I think, Sand. So yes. And moving to the eyeshadow, on her lids, I use Essence blush on for the transition, and then the next shade that I've used here is the BYS palette. I'll insert a photo and then show you guys what's the shade of the BYS palette that I use on her there in the outer area of her eyes. So as you can see here now, it's getting smoked out and blended out already. So here I'm just taking my time to blend the transitions and the smokiness of her eyes. So and then for the center of the lids, again I did use the BYS 8 color shade palette. This BYS palette is my favorite go-to palette. So yes, the shade that I used on the center of her lids, it has a luminous effect. It will give your eyes vibrant and nice looking, especially when you put the mascara and the fake lashes on. This eyeshadows is really good, and it complements to our like Asian morena type of skin. So this palette is like warm tone palette. Also, I used the BYS palette on her lower lash line or under eyes area. Here I asked her to curl her lashes to save time because we're running out of time for our photo shoot. And for the lips, I moisturize her lips first using a lip balm because because of the lip products that I'm going to put on her lips, it's a Kylie matte lip cream. Because I believe this is her first time to use a matte lip cream lip products, so I did moisturize her lips using a lip balm so that she will feel comfortable throughout the photo shoot session. So here I line her lips using an Essence lip liner that matches to the Kylie matte lip cream that I use. I think that one is in the shade. Actually, I forgot. So guys, all the makeup products that I've used in this video will be in my description box. So please check it out. And onto the hair, I just curl her hair using a medium-sized curling barrel and then setting her hair using a VO5 setting spray or hair spray. So alright guys, I'm nearly finished doing my client's hair and makeup for her photo shoot. Please guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button so that you will be notified every time I will upload new videos. Alright guys, that's it for my video and thank you for watching and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys! And by the way guys, for her highlighter, I used the Bika highlighter in the shade Opal, and yes, that's it guys, and see you again next time. Bye guys!
Actually, hold his arm, yeah, like that. That's so good. Yeah, that's so good. And just look at Randy and yeah, say something that'll make her laugh. Yeah, yeah, good stuff.
I'm taking your videos.
Hey. Am I gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah, you will be.
Nice, nice. Oh, good stuff. That's so good. Randy, can you just like wrap her up? Like, I don't know, whatever that means to you, just like a present.
Like a present.
And then can you like maybe look at her and then just kind of brush her hair on this side with your right hand? That's so good.
That's rough.
That's rough.
Make it soft.
I don't want to wreck the hair. Look at each other.
Yeah, that's nice. That's soft.
1 second, guys. Wait. Just hold it. Don't stop it. Don't stop it.
Nice.
All right, Lisa.
Kasi baka mapunta ka sa buhay. Ben mo yun. Ben mo gano'n. Lawa ka muna.
Mabigat yata, Rani.
If you can get it once, it'll be so good.
Yun.
Can you jump into so you kind of catch her and then so she kind of come into you?
Alright.
Just sorry.
Jump. Jump.
Are you gonna run to her?
Yeah.
Oh, to him. Should I just start?
Okay,
Wow.
come on, yeah.
1 second.
This is the action.
Let me get it. Layo pa.
Alright, I'm ready.
Woo! Yeah, Randy, do it like this, oh, para maano mo siya. Yeah.
Let me get it. Let me just.
Okay, ganun mo yung legs mo, Liz.
Let me make sure that I got it.
Yeah, Randy, wag mo muna agad siya ibagsak. I-hold mo siya pag ganun. Did you understand, Joe? Not really.
Sorry?
Did you understand what I said?
I understand everything you guys are saying.
Okay. Ready, Liz?
Sorry, wait. Alright, ready? Let's go. Can we try that? Did you do that?
So okay guys, we're here in the venue. We're doing a engagement photo shoot. So that's the photographer there.
Let's try that. Let's try two things and then we'll go to the lagoon area.
Oh, that's nice, Liz. Ah! Wow!
3, 2, 1, go.
It's nice, grabe. Message, oh. Oh,
They
it's
will,
nice,
they will look
JB.
nice once it's come through the...
Oh, that's nice, JB.
Yeah, it's very cute. You guys are cute.
That's
So,
very nice.
if you want to go there, I'm very happy for you. Just let me know. Otherwise, I'm happy. Whatever you guys want to do, I'm happy.
And we're going on that way anyway, so
So after
Are we going now? So we're gonna grab our stuff?
yeah.